Hi, this is my Christmas COVID test, and I've just put the dots on it. You can see live. Exciting. No, seriously. This is something else I'm very proud of me. I'm used to doing these now. It feels normal. It felt absolutely weird before. But here we go. So far, no COVID. Got the booster, got the other things. I'm up to date. One line is no, negative. 2 lines is positive. And these are the quick ones. I think, shall we give it about 5 minutes? If there's no change, then I'm definitely negative. Thank you, immune system.